Space is full of mysteries that defy explanation, and some of the most baffling signals from the cosmos have left scientists scratching their heads. From eerie radio waves to bizarre bursts of energy, these unexplained phenomena challenge our understanding of the universe. Let's dive into 6 of the most mysterious signals from space that still leave us wondering, what's out there? The WOW signal. In 1977, something truly mind-blowing happened in the world of astronomy. Imagine being an astronomer, scanning the vastness of space, when you detect a radio signal that seems out of place. That's exactly what happened when Dr. Jerry Amon, working on a SETI Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence project, stumbled upon a signal that was so unusual, he circled it in red ink and wrote WOW next to it. This signal, which would come to be known as the WOW signal, was unlike anything seen before. It was a narrowband radio signal, which essentially means it was incredibly specific in its frequency, a characteristic that suggested it might not be a random noise or interference from Earth-based sources. The signal was detected while scanning a region of the sky near the constellation Sagittarius, and it lasted for 72 seconds, never to be heard again. It was a one-time event, but the mystery didn't stop there. The intensity and uniqueness of the signal made it stand out so clearly that it still baffles scientists today. They've scanned the area countless times since then, but the signal has never been repeated. So, what could it have been? Was it a signal from an alien civilization trying to reach out? Some speculate that the WOW signal could have been an intentional communication from a distant extraterrestrial civilization, while others argue that it might have been caused by a rare but natural space phenomenon. The fact that we've never been able to detect anything like it again has kept the mystery alive for decades. The WOW signal continues to fuel discussions, and while we don't have answers yet, it's one of those intriguing moments in space exploration that reminds us how much we still don't know about the universe. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs. Let's dive into one of the most mind-boggling phenomena in space fast radio bursts, or FRBs. These events are like cosmic whispers that last only milliseconds but carry a massive punch. First discovered in 2007, FRBs are incredibly powerful radio signals from deep space that leave scientists scratching their heads. Imagine this: a burst of radio waves comes out of nowhere, so intense that it can outshine entire galaxies for a fraction of a second. These bursts are so brief, they almost seem to defy the laws of time, making them both fascinating and frustrating to study. What's even crazier is that scientists have been able to detect multiple FRBs, but no one can explain where they come from or what causes them. Most FRBs are one-off events, but some, like FRB 121102, repeat regularly, which adds another layer of mystery. This repeating FRB comes from a galaxy 3 billion light-years away, and every time it bursts, scientists try to pinpoint its origin. Could it be an alien transmission? Some have speculated that these bursts could be messages from an extraterrestrial civilization, but it's hard to draw any conclusions without more evidence. Other theories suggest that FRBs could be the result of extreme cosmic events, like the collision of neutron stars or the collapse of black holes. Yet no theory so far has been able to fully explain these bursts, and while astronomers around the world have been actively hunting for more FRBs to study, they're still elusive. Every new discovery leaves us with more questions than answers, making FRBs one of the most exciting and perplexing mysteries in modern astronomy. The BLC1 Signal. In 2019, a surprising discovery shook the world of space exploration. A mysterious radio signal coming from the direction of Proxima Centauri, the closest star system to our own. This signal, dubbed BLC1, was detected by the Breakthrough Listen team, part of a major initiative aimed at finding extraterrestrial life. Proxima Centauri is located just over 4 light-years away from Earth, and it has long been a subject of interest due to the potential for habitable planets in its system. What made the BLC1 signal so intriguing was its unusual characteristics. It was a narrowband radio signal, a type of signal that's highly specific in frequency, a feature that often suggests it's not naturally occurring. The team, which was using the Parkes radio telescope in Australia, initially thought the signal could be a human-made interference. However, after multiple analyses, they couldn't rule out the possibility that it could have originated from an alien source. But the plot thickens. It's possible that the signal might have been the result of interference from Earth-based equipment, rather than an actual transmission from space. Despite the excitement surrounding its discovery, the BLC1 signal has not been detected again, and its origins remain a mystery. Some scientists suggest it could be from a satellite or another human-made object passing by the radio telescope, while others argue that it's worth continuing the search for similar signals from other star systems. The BLC1 signal might have been a false alarm, but it's also a reminder of how much more we have to explore and understand about the cosmos. Could it have been the first sign of intelligent life beyond Earth? Or was it just another cosmic coincidence? Only time will tell. Galactic Center Radio Transients, or GCRTs. Deep within the heart of our Milky Way galaxy lies a mysterious phenomenon that has scientists scratching their heads: Galactic Center Radio Transients, or GCRTs. These are unpredictable and powerful radio signals originating from the center of our galaxy, specifically from the dense and chaotic region around the supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A*. The signals themselves are unusual, coming in bursts that are often brief but incredibly intense. They don't fit neatly into any known patterns of cosmic radiation, which makes them even more perplexing. What's fascinating about GCRTs is that their origin is still shrouded in mystery. Some of these signals appear to be regular, reappearing after a certain period, while others seem to be one-off events, making them both elusive and unpredictable. Since their first detection, astronomers have tried to pin down their source, but there's no consensus. Could they be emanating from strange objects lurking in the galactic center like magnetic stars or young pulsars? Or are they the result of some unknown cosmic event, perhaps linked to the behavior of the black hole itself? One theory that's been put forward is that GCRTs could be caused by a class of object known as magnetars, which are incredibly magnetic neutron stars. These stellar remnants have magnetic fields billions of times stronger than those of normal stars, and they're known to produce extreme bursts of radiation. However, the erratic nature of GCRTs raises the possibility that there could be other, as yet unknown phenomena at work in the galactic center. For now, GCRTs remain one of the most tantalizing unsolved mysteries in modern astronomy. As astronomers continue to monitor the galactic center for new bursts, one thing is clear: these signals could hold the key to unlocking some of the deepest secrets of our galaxy. Could they be pointing us towards something even more mind-blowing lurking in the heart of the Milky Way? Only time will tell. The Black Knight Satellite. The legend of the Black Knight Satellite is one of the most captivating, mysterious, and controversial tales in the world of space exploration. According to conspiracy theorists and UFO enthusiasts, the Black Knight is an ancient satellite that has been orbiting Earth for an astounding 13,000 years. That's right, an alien spacecraft, potentially observing humanity, silently floating through space. While this sounds like something out of a sci-fi thriller, the story has persisted for decades and is a staple in UFO folklore. The origins of the Black Knight satellite legend trace back to the 1950s, when a series of unusual radio signals were detected coming from the direction of the constellation Lyra. Some believe these signals were the first indication that something otherworldly was in our orbit. In the following years, the story took on a life of its own, after various sightings of mysterious objects in space were reported, particularly following NASA's early space missions. But here's the twist: there's no definitive evidence proving that such a satellite exists. One of the most popular pieces of evidence often cited by proponents of the theory is a photograph taken during the 1998 Endeavour Space Shuttle mission. The photo shows a mysterious object in Earth's orbit, which some claim to be the Black Knight satellite. However, NASA later clarified that the object was a piece of space debris, nothing more than a chunk of discarded satellite material. Despite this explanation, the legend refuses to die. Could there really be an ancient alien satellite quietly monitoring our planet? It's one of those mysteries that continues to fuel wild imaginations. While mainstream science dismisses the Black Knight as a myth or misidentified debris, the story remains an intriguing part of our quest for answers about extraterrestrial life. Whether it's a cosmic conspiracy or a simple case of mistaken identity, the legend of the Black Knight satellite continues to captivate those who look to the stars in search of something beyond our understanding. The spinning neutron star signal. In the vast expanse of space, one of the most puzzling signals to emerge is the mysterious spinning neutron star signal, often referred to as the XNAV signal. Discovered in 2016, This unusual radio emission was first detected by astronomers observing a rapidly spinning neutron star known as PSRJ 1748-2446 AD. Located around 18,000 light-years away in the constellation of Sagittarius, this neutron star is one of the fastest known to humanity, spinning at an incredible 716 times per second. Neutron stars are the remnants of supernova explosions, and they possess incredibly strong magnetic fields. But when it comes to the XNAV signal, the mystery is that it exhibits unusual characteristics, unlike anything typically associated with neutron stars. As the star spins, it emits radio waves that seem to pulse in patterns that don't quite match the behavior of typical pulsars. These irregular pulses caught the attention of scientists who had trouble explaining their origin. At first, researchers considered the possibility that this signal could be a form of pulsar glitch or a malfunction in the star's emission system. But after deeper analysis, they realized that this signal could be something far more extraordinary. Could it be that this neutron star is interacting with a hidden cosmic force? Or perhaps it's tied to the discovery of new uncharted phenomena in the universe? Some theories even suggest that these peculiar radio signals might be caused by dark matter or other exotic materials we've yet to fully understand. The XNAV signal challenges our current knowledge of stellar physics, and while it remains unexplained, it's a prime example of how much more there is to discover in the cosmos. The question is, could this mysterious signal be a clue to uncovering a new layer of the universe that we've never seen before? Only time and more research will tell. And there you have it, 6 of the most mysterious signals from space that continue to baffle scientists. The universe is full of unexplained wonders, and who knows what discoveries lie ahead. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing content from InnoVision Tech. Until next time.